No. I'll do it, but I'm not excited about it.
I'm excited.
I know you are. You like up high things.
I like castles.
Yeah, castles are cool.
Don't slip.
Okay.
It goes way far back.
Oh, does it?
Yes.
That's cool. Keep going, Em. You can't see much, but we're in a cave under the castle. Can't go anywhere.
No.
How was your trip into the cave?
A bit squashy.
It was very squashy, wasn't it? But how cool was it? Was that? It said it was the dungeon.
Yeah, but then they said there's lots of secret passages under there.
Oh, that's cool.
Spiral staircase.
All right, we've made it to the top of the castle with a little bit of trepidation, wasn't there?
From you?
Yeah. Just going to walk around and check out this Blarney Stone.
Does it say back? No, if you take the photograph, take it on that side. Hold the bars and kiss the bottom store. That's it, right on.
Good job. How's that? Do you feel like you've got the gift of the gab now?
No, but you have enough for both of us.
Oh, that's true.
Right?
I didn't take a photo of you, I took
Oh,
a video.
Oh, but was it still playing when you were
No.
to me? Oh, well, I didn't get you doing it then.
Oh, that's why I gave you the camera to do a
Yeah,
video.
I know, but I didn't realise. Well, I'm sorry. You want to do it again?
No. We are in the poison garden of Blarney Castle, where everything here could kill you.
I'm just reading that people don't really die from the plants. They usually die from a concoction with the plants included.
Where are we?
The witch's kitchen.
How cool is this place?
Very cool.
We should build one.
What? A cave?
Yeah. What is it?
The oldest trees on the estate.
500, 600 years old? Wow. That was really cool, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We could have, well, we could have spent all day there, couldn't we?
But we didn't have all day.
No, we don't. We've got a plane to catch. That's why we're going to the car. There's so many little things to do, wasn't there?
Yeah.
Hidden gems to find. All right, car is dropped off. No dramas there. It was a bit difficult finding this place, wasn't it?
A little bit, because it had every other car place except for ours along the first road.
Yeah, it was very, very strange. But we found it in the end. We're now at the airport. I guess we've still got a while, so we'll go in and check in and see if we can't sit next to each other, because apparently we're not. Talk to the desk. So yeah, back to London we go. This is one of the littler airports we've been to, and we've been to some small airports.
I've been to a tiny one in Poland.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was like a shed.
Super cruisy, really easy to get through today. Emma got stopped, not me.
Yeah, but not my fault. It was it's drug test.
Oh, random.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, look at ya. I'd select you too. The boarding has begun. Definitely not the first one on the plane, but I wouldn't want to sit on there for an extra half an hour. So there's goods and bads, but we're on our way now. See you guys in London. And we're back in London.
For a week.
For 1 week, but we're here. I don't know if I've told any of you this, but I am very, very, very frightened of flying. So the fact that I do it all the time is just wonderful.
It is wonderful.
You hate it, don't you?
I don't like how it's rough.
No, I mean you hate that I'm scared.
Oh, right, yeah, I hate that you're scared. Pain, but...
I am. She was happy that we weren't sitting together, but then she managed to work it out that we were, which I was happy about. She puts me first.
I was happy because I had a lap to nap in.
True. How was that?
Much better than London to Edinburgh.
That was so bumpy on London to Edinburgh. This was heaps better. We're back.
Where are we?
I have no clue. I've never been here before. Do you remember how all this works?
The train.
Been away for 2 weeks. That's some enthusiastic whistling. Back in beautiful springtime London.
At least there's some leaves on the trees.
True. We are on our way to the Whiskey Exchange because after 2 weeks in Scotland and Ireland, we feel like we're experts. In the whiskey shop, we need to find the one that we're looking for. We're getting there.
I know. It's painful.
Yes. Almost home?
Yeah.
You ready?
Ready for what? To have a shower? Yes.
The football.
The football.
Yes, this one he's played earlier this morning. It was like 4:30 in the morning, so there's no way we were getting up then to watch it. So we're going to watch it tonight, make a hot pot, as tradition goes, and watch the football. Oh, and drink the scotch. Dinner was great. Really nice, yummy. Football was awesome. It was a bit scary there in a minute, wasn't it?
For most of the game.
For most of the game. But we won in the end. Yeah, go Swannies. So yeah, it's good to be home. It's good to be able to sleep in our own bed, have a nice shower. But I think we've got a big couple of days coming up, so we're going to go to sleep. See you later.